Hey, y'all.
Trick shot. That's really bad. Hello. You killed one person. Yay.
You know what we need to do in
It's
the...
on a roll.
You know what we need to do in the next vlog we make for my channel? Bub,
What?
show off the mud bug back there.
I guess.
Yeah.
Hey. I'm just gonna sit here and camp this tack.
It's funny, I'm just... Hey, Lucy. Hey, Lucy.
Yay, spawn.
Hey, Lucy. What's up, huh?
Spawn die. Spawn die.
Hey,
Spawn
Goose.
die.
What's going on? Billy Ray, come here. There you are, buddy. Hey, Billy Ray.
It's just spawn die. Spawn die. Spawn die. Spawn die.
Hey, y'all. I'm over at my buddy's Elijah house making a vlog.
Fucking Spyco.
And that's Elijah.
Great.
And there's Lucy. There's Goose. And there's Billy Ray.
We're gonna freaking go for a walk in a second. Screw it.
Yeah. Well, just thought I'd make a quick vlog for church. Oh,
I hit a crappy
talk to
shot,
y'all
yay.
later.
That's a great ending of a video. I hit a crappy shot.
Hmm?
Let them watch this Insta swap. That was a freaking
Boom!
540 Insta
Headshot!
swap. 540 Insta swap.
Well, I think I'll be back here like.
Wait. That's a great. This is a great way to end the vlog.
And there's our buddy Chris going full idiot in his true form.
Hi, Kaylee.
Hola, everyone.